Hello trendy people, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share my purple haul, and this is a actually huge haul. As you can see, I have products loaded in both these boxes, so I'll be unboxing it right in front of you all. So yes, let's get started. So in the small box I have Smudge Me Not Lip Duo in the shade number 12 Dawn Fawn, and I already had those Sugar Smudge Me Not lipsticks that they had earlier, and I had quite a lot, but I really wanted one from this range because as you can see it has matte lipstick on one side and that clear gel lip gloss on other side, which can be very helpful if you want to go for those glowy looks and glowy makeup. So I got this one, and I must say this is good. You all know about this already, the Sugar Cosmetics. So this is one shade, this is the shade Dawn Fawn. This is the shade right here, and it is a very reddish brown color, yellowish brown, and this looks really nice on dusky skin tone. And yes, I am a dusky skin girl, so I really love these brown lipsticks. And then along with that one, I got this one. This is the Sugar Lipping on the Edge Lip Liner in the shade 01 Taffeta Terracotta. So again, this is also a brown color. If you keep on following me all throughout, you will see that I have this immense love for this brown color, and so I keep on adding more and more brown lipsticks and brown lip liners to my collection. So these are some of them, and so this is another lip liner. This is 01 Taffeta Terracotta from Sugar. Then I have this one. This is the Blue Heaven Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipe, and since I'll be doing a lot of tutorials on this channel, so I will be needing this one for fast removal, and I have this plan of doing more than one video every day, so this will be very helpful for me. This is not eco-friendly, this is not at all eco-friendly, this is not at all environment friendly, and we should not actually use this for our regular day work or for regular basis. But if you are into this makeup for for everyday purpose, then you actually need this, because this does the work in one swipe and you can get rid of your makeup very easily. So like if I am trying to do a lip swatch video or something like that, I will really need this one. So I already had this, I had used a lot of this, and this is like a restocking for me. So yeah, this is another one. Next I have this box, and in this box first I can see is the fan brush. So this is a fan brush, and this is really huge as you can see, and I got it for really a great deal actually. So all the prices will be given in the screen somewhere below, so you can check it out, and also it will be given in my description box, and I will also try to link those products, so you can check it out very well. So this is a fan brush, and this is really very helpful. This is very fluffy, and you can even apply it in your body like collarbone and everything. If you are doing those glowy look, you can use this in your collarbone, your cheekbone, everywhere. This is good for all your highlighter purpose. So this was a really great one to buy, and I am loving it actually. Then I have nail polishes. I have got 4 nail polishes. from Bella Voste. These two are from Bella Voste. One is yellow, another one is light bluish color, because I really like those pastel nail polishes, be it nude or not nude, but I like those pastel colors. So I had got all these four. All the four are like pastel colors, which I really like. So this is in the shade 25 Beach Babe. I really thought this will be a mustard color, because in the website it looked like that, but it is not mustard color. So I'm not that happy, but okay, might be I'll use it for some of my videos, so it's fine. Then I have this one. This is again from Bella Voste, and this is in the shade 325. It does not have any name actually, but this is in the shade 325. Then I have one from Purple. This is a very muted pink shade, and this is High on Geeking number 13. High on Geeking number 13. This one. Then I have this one. This is from NY Bay Nail Lacquer. This is in the shade Lupine Madison Avenue number 16. Lupine Madison Avenue number 16. So this is another one. Next I have my lip liners, and I'm really sorry to say, but all these three are brown. Now you can very well understand how much I have love towards brown, because if you are a dusky skin girl, brown is your friend. You can get tons and tons of brown lipsticks and lip liners, and all will suit you. So I have got 3 lip liners in brown, because even if I am applying a nude lipstick, I will have at least that brown lip liner. So that's why I need brown lip liner. So I got 3. First one is LA Girl lip liner in the shade Spice. LA Girl lip liner in the shade Spice. This is the shade Spice. If you can see, this is the shade, this one, Spice. Then I got this LA Color Auto Lip Liner in the shade Cocoa or Cocoa, and this is actually a dark brown color, dark brown. So this is the one, Cocoa. Next I have this one. This is a very hyped one. Actually, Wet n Wild lip liners are better than all other, because it gives you such a huge size. You see, this gives such a huge size and at a very affordable rate. So if you are trying something new, then you can go for Wet n Wild product anytime, because it is affordable and it is really cheap and affordable and beginner friendly as well. So this is in the shade Chestnut, and wow, the pigmentation is also really nice, this one, and also the color is really nice. Again, a brown color, as I told you, lovely color. Then I got this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray, and I actually have dry skin, so I really don't like those matte look and matte setting spray. So I prefer this natural finish one. I would love to have that glowy look on my face, though I have a very dry skin, and for that reason I got this one, that is natural finish setting spray. Next I got this Wet n Wild brow pencil. This is both side, it has one side it has the spoolie, and other side it has the retractable sharp brow pencil. So this is very helpful for beginner again, because you can have this one product and it will help you shape your brow. You can draw your brow with this side, and it is very sharp and thin, so it will be very helpful for you all. And then on the other side you have the spoolie to brush it up and see if there is some excess product or not, and you can use it. So this is beginner friendly and also travel friendly, so you can actually having. Also, it is very affordable. I really prefer Wet n Wild product because it is really affordable and it is a very it is of very good quality, so it's all nice. Wet n Wild is lovely, so I like. I have this Maybelline New York concealer and this is in the shade 10 Light. Now this one is from the Fit Me range and is very famous, and you might be thinking that light number 10 would be very light for my skin tone, but I won't be using this for my whole face. Actually, I will be using this in my eyelid before I start doing some bright eyeshadow look, because for that bright eyeshadow look you need a very light color base so that the colors pop up in your skin. So for that I have got this shade which is way lighter than my skin tone. And also, you know, this if you have concealer that you can put it just right on your inner corner and it will give you a whole new look altogether. So it will brighten up your face in just one go. So I needed this one as well. Then I got, okay, so with those two sugar products I got this for free. This is their Sugar Lip Crayon, matte as hell lip crayon in the shade 01 Scarlet O'Hara. This is a very hype product, you all must be knowing about it, and I also wanted to get it, but yes, I am lucky that I got it for free. This is a very nice bright red color which everyone must own, and I am happy that I got this one. So this is the shade Scarlet O'Hara. Lovely shade, and it is very famous actually, you all might have heard about it. And with that I got this sharpener which is again very nice. This sharpener is also very nice because you know this has for the broad lip crayons and one for the narrow or thin lip liners. So you get this for free as well, and it has two sharpeners, one for the thin ones, one for the thick ones. So this is also very helpful. If you have one of this, you don't need any more of any sharpeners or anything. So Sugar Lip Crayon is also very good in this sense that it gives a sharpener always free with their crayon. Next I got this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, waterproof liquid eyeliner, and I am in the shade dark brown, E880 dark brown. This is the one. This is waterproof. So I had a lot of plan to do, you know, brown look. So for that I got this one. But this is not actually brown. This is a very blackish brown. I don't think I'll be able to work. Can you see? This is a very blackish brown. I doubt if I can work with this, but maybe I'll try some way or the other to work with this, because it almost looks like black and not brown at all. So let's see what happens. Then I got this one, Purple Lip Crayon Matte Mate from Crush to Smitten number 4, and this is the one. This a very blackened burgundy shade which will look again great on the dusky skin tone. This shade right here. And the best thing about this crayon is that it is affordable, it is cheap, and also it is smudge proof. So a lip crayon you are getting which is smudge proof, so it is really a steal to have it. You can have it. It has many colors to choose from. You will get a lot of options to choose from, and then it is affordable, and then it is smudge proof. So all in one. And then after doing so much of shopping and everything, I got this one for free. Let me check how it is. This is Darling Isabella Magnificent Maroon Royalty number 9. I got this for free, I'm telling you. And this is a matte lipstick, but not that pigmented as maroon color as we expect. It is not like that. It is not so dark. So okay, since it is free, I can use it anytime for any of my videos. Maybe like this haul videos, I can use this one. So it's good. It's a nice lipstick to have in your collection if you are getting it for free. But I don't think I would buy it with my own money because it's not worth it. It's not that pigmented to have it in your collection. So yes, with that I come to an end of my haul video, or the purple haul video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also don't forget the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get the notification every time I post a video. Thank you. Bye bye.